Guys, welcome to my channel Techno Mintra. This is Ankita Agrawal. Today we are going to learn about the list in HTML, how you can create a list in your web page. The very first thing that comes in our mind is, what is a list? A list is something in which we write the things in the form of bullets, we write in the form of numbers, or maybe we write in the form of alphabets when we want to specify something in the form of points that are sometimes they can be ordered and sometimes even they can be unordered. A very simple example is when I ask you to write down the name of the students in your class, then you write down 1, 2, 3 and so on. So that is how you are specifying the things in some order. Maybe you can write down alphabetically, or maybe how you are sitting in the class. In that way you will write down the name of the students of your class. So in HTML also we have list, but basically there are two types of lists. So lists are basically used for organizing a lot of information in the form of some order and in web pages. So the very first will be the ordered list, in which it will be a numbered list that specify a numerical order. It can be written in the form of capital A or a small a, or capital in a Roman numbers also, with a capital Roman and with a small Roman, and even they can be specified in the form of numbers like 1, 2, 3. And another one is the unordered list, where no specific order is there. So you can write down that unordered list in any form. So basically in HTML there are three types. The first is disk, circle and square. So one by one we'll cover all of them. So let's start with the ordered list. So for the ordered list, the tag is OL, okay, which OL, and it has to be written in angular braces. Now it has to be written inside the body tag. So over here, for example, I just want to write favorite subjects. Okay, so in OL, now let's start learning about the type. So over here I just write down the type is equal to, maybe I am using capitals, so it's followed by, now inside the OL tag, because we have to specify, there is a tag known as the list item, in which we'll specify the name, and it is also having an opening as well as a closing tag. So maybe the next subject of our class is English, right? And then maybe science, okay, and followed by LI, okay. And then after this LI we have to close our OL tag, okay. So you can see the OL tag started. We write a type, we have to specify the type, how it can be. It can be A, even. I just first run this and then I will show you more. So now the file name is this. So let's run the file. So now you can see A, B, C, it's written in this order. Now if you want, you can specify in the form of numbers. For that we have to tell like 1 over here, okay. So now let's run the file. So it's coming in the form of numbers. Now another important thing, now for example, sometimes we don't want that. We wrote a paragraph, and after that paragraph we write some points, and then again we started with some another paragraph, and now we want to continue with the same points, or maybe we are explaining that things in those points. So in case you want the ordered list to start with, for example 6, so you can say over here maybe 2. No. Okay, let's run and see. No, it's not coming. Okay, let it be. We'll cover this topic the next time. So right now, let's start with the A. So now just run and see. It will be showing as A, B, C. So this is the way you can work with the ordered list. Now let's start with the unordered one. So unordered one will also start will be there inside the body tag. For that you have to write down UL, and then if you have to specify the type, it will be type is equal to maybe DICA. Okay, so now inside that also we have to specify the tag LI. Now for example, let's take the topic of what are your hobbies. So I just say my hobbies are traveling, and then listening music. Okay, so I just specified 2 of them. So now I just want to run. So again you will be closing this LI, and then you have to close the UL tag too. Okay, so now just again over here, this has to be like this. Now let's run and see. So now you can see that Dex will be written in the form of dots. Now if you want in the form of a circle, so circle will be a hollow one. Okay, so see, it's a hollow one. Then even you can specify in the form of squares too. Okay, so let's run again. Now you can see in the form of squares. Okay, so this is a way you can run your ordered list and unordered list. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and please share my videos, and please wait for my new video that will be about the image and the table tag in HTML. Thanks for viewing my channel. Thank you.